Imagine if you woke up to find out that Samsung's next big flagship phone just got exposed in the wild, camera pics and all, right before its grand reveal. What if those shots hint at a total game changer? Or maybe just hype? Stick around because this leak is wild, and I'm breaking it down in a way that'll have you glued to the screen. Alright guys, let's dive right in. You know how Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked is dropping on February 25th and everyone's buzzing about the S26 Ultra? Well, out of nowhere, this Indian tech whiz named Sahil Karul snags himself a legit retail version of the phone. Not some sketchy prototype, but the real deal you could buy in stores. And get this, he pulls this off with a couple of days still on the clock before the official launch. Talk about timing that screams internet meltdown. Since then, he's been dropping breadcrumbs like a pro, teasing us with fresh info bit by bit. And the highlight? Actual photos snapped straight from the S26 Ultra's back cameras. First off, he throws up these 3 killer shots, one of some fresh veggies looking vibrant as heck, another bursting with flower details that pop off the screen, and a portrait of a person that's got that natural glow. Man, these images hit you with sharpness that makes your eyes linger, colors that feel alive and punchy, and lighting that's just spot on without any weird overexposure. It's the kind of stuff that makes you think, okay, Samsung might have nailed it this time. Everything screams professional polish. But here's where I pump the brakes. Without knowing exactly which lens he used, though I'm betting on the main one like most folks are, it's tough to say if this is a massive leap forward or just solid consistency. But wait, it gets juicier. Sahil doesn't stop there. He goes full detective mode and snaps the exact same setup with both the S26 Ultra and last year's S25 Ultra for a head-to-head showdown. Side by side, the S26 version jumps out at you. It's got this extra brightness that pulls everything into focus, a touch more sharpness that reveals those tiny details, and contrast that adds real depth without going overboard. It's the kind of upgrade that makes you go, whoa, is this the new king? I mean, it grabs your attention instantly, and yeah, it feels like an improvement in clarity that could make everyday shots way more impressive. That said, let's keep it real. I'm thrilled by these teasers, no question, but they're not the slam dunk proof we need that the S26 Ultra crushes the S25 Ultra in every way. Better? Maybe in these controlled snaps, but what about low light chaos, zooming in on distant action, or those unpredictable real life moments? We gotta see full-blown tests across all that to really judge. It's exciting as hell though. Feels like Samsung's pushing boundaries, but is it revolutionary or just a smart tweak? The best part? We're on the edge of finding out everything. With the big reveal just 3 days out, all the secrets are about to spill. Will this camera setup blow our minds as a genuine breakthrough? Or is it more of that refined evolution we've come to expect? I'm leaning optimistic, but hey, surprises happen. If you're as hooked as I am, smash that like button, drop your predictions in the comments. What do you think these leaks mean for the S26 Ultra? Subscribe if you haven't, hit the bell for more tech drops like this, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.